All the products we showed in the video, all toys for pets. We have Kitty's favorite ocean ball toy, the toy with squeaky sound, windmill style toy. And the brain training spinning food dispenser ball for doggies. Meanwhile, we have the indoor and outdoor squeaky flying disc ball, the ball toy for throwing games outdoor. All of these products are produced by our company. We are the pet supplies enterprise that runs the whole industry, not just production. We have professional product research and design team at work. We launched more than 60 products every single year. Until now the company has founded about 2.5 years. We launched over 130 products to the market already, only original designs. Pet toys have the biggest market in China. The potential market is showing a significant growth every year, but the original design toys can be very competitive. All about the original design. From the idea to the price and the quality, all the best for you. Different types of hot-selling pet supplies and pet toys from a fully automatic process. All product components should be tested by different quality check processes. We have the product quality system and management system for the best products. The company has the BSCI certification level B, different quality certification systems, and standardized management. We have our own product creative teams, exterior design teams, structure design teams, mold teams and other teams in Shenzhen, Nanchang, Shanghai. An experienced mold making and production department, extraordinary mold designers and other mold making technicians in our team. 10,000 square meters area, that's our storage area for different types of finished products, materials for packaging and else. All about storage. Kitties and doggies are raised by us. This is a perfect choice for us to let them join our product developing for daily product updates. Professional developing with the source of the whole pet toys industry. We are the pro enterprise. Now, we are waiting for you.